Quiz on freedom struggle. Which of the following leader was not present in the very first meeting of Indian National Congress? Dadabhai Naoroji, Kashinath Trimbak Telang, Feroz Shah Mehta, Surendranath Banerjee. The right answer is Surendranath Banerjee, who told that Indian National Congress represents only microscopic minorities. Lord Curzon, Lord Dufferin, Lord Minto, none of these. The right answer is Lord Dufferin, who said that Indian National Congress is a begging institute. Mahatma Gandhi, Bipin Chandra Pal, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Aurobindo Ghosh. The right answer is Aurobindo Ghosh. Which of the following leader was not moderate? Dadabhai Naoroji, Anand Charlu, Bipin Chandra Pal, Madan Mohan Malviya. The right answer is Bipin Chandra Pal. Which of the following is not true about Bal Gangadhar Tilak? He wrote Gita Rahasya. He started Ganpati festival in 1893. He launched a newspaper Kesari in English. He started Home Rule League in 1916. The right answer is he launched newspaper Kesari in English. Who started the English weekly New India? Lala Lajpat Rai, Bipin Chandra Pal, Dadabhai Naoroji, Madan Mohan Malviya. The right answer is Madan Mohan Malviya. Which of the following is not true about Muslim League? It was established by the Nawab Salimullah. It was established in Calcutta in 1906. The League supported the partition of Bengal. The League opposed the Swadeshi movement. The right answer is it was established in Calcutta in 1906. When was Congress split? At Surat session in 1906, at Banaras session in 1905, at Madras in 1908, at Lahore in 1909. The right answer is at Surat session in 1906. Which of the following committee and act is associated with the Sedition Act? Rowlatt Act, Buddhiman Committee, Butler Committee, both A and B. The right answer is Rowlatt Act. The achieved milestone of the non-cooperation movement of 1921. It stopped the injustice done to the Khilafat. India obtained some political rights. The Hindus and Muslims came closer. It avenged the Punjab atrocities. The right answer is Indian obtained some political rights. Which of the following given leader given the term incinate waste on the burning of foreign clothes during the non-cooperation movement? Lord Reading, Motilal Nehru, Rabindranath Tagore, Muhammad Ali. The right answer is Rabindranath Tagore. When was the non-cooperation movement got momentum under Mahatma Gandhi? 1920 to 1922, 1922 to 1924, 1987 to 1989, 1990 to 1992. The right answer is 1920 to 1922. Which event compelled Gandhiji to withdraw the nation's cooperation from the British government? Jallianwala Bagh massacre, Bhagat Singh hanging, Lathi Charge, all of these. The right answer is Jallianwala Bagh massacre. When Gandhiji suspended after the violent act of peasants at police station of Chauri Chaura near Gorakhpur in UP. Feb 1922, March 1922, January 1920, Feb 1920. The right answer is Feb 1922. When was the non-cooperation movement started by Gandhiji? After Rowlatt Act, Chauri Chaura Act, Jallianwala Bagh massacre, none of these. The right answer is Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Which of the following event was the reason for withdrawal of non-cooperation movement? Chauri Chaura incident, Jallianwala Bagh massacre, Gandhi imprisonment, none. The right answer is Chauri Chaura incident. When was the Quit India movement launched by Gandhiji? 1946, 1939, 1942, 1940. The right answer is 1942. What was the another name of Quit India movement? Khilafat movement, Swadeshi movement, Home Rule movement, August Kranti. The right answer is August Kranti. Which leader presided All India Congress Committee session on 9th August? Jawaharlal Nehru, Aruna Asif Ali, Mahatma Gandhi, Annie Besant. The right answer is Aruna Asif Ali. When was Quit India movement pulled back? 1947, 1942, 1943, 1945. The right answer is 1942. Who had given the slogan "Do or Die" during Quit India? Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Jay Prakash Narayan. The right answer is Mahatma Gandhi. What was the another name of Pledge of Indian Independence? Declaration of Independence, Declaration of Constitution, Declaration of Constituent Assembly, none of these. The right answer is Declaration of Independence. The provision for separate electorate for Hindus and Muslims was made in Government of India Act, Montague-Chelmsford Reforms, Minto-Morley Reforms, Mountbatten Plan. The right answer is Minto-Morley Reforms. The Khilafat movement was started by Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Dr. Zakir Hussain, Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad, Ali brothers. The right answer is Ali brothers. The idea of Pakistan was first conceived by Muhammad Iqbal, Jinnah, Shaukat Ali, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. The right answer is Muhammad Iqbal. If you like this video, then hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you.